part of the Philippines because Bishop Camilo Gregorio is here, the Bishop of Max Balanes, and the bishops of Mindanao, with Bishop Pablo is here. We are representing, at least, that we are representing the whole country when it comes to our devotion to the Blessed Lady of Fatima and the message of Fatima in order to bring about peace not only in our country but most especially in our hearts.
Will traditionally prepare the devotees of Our Lady of Fatima in this momentous year through topics that will deepen their understanding of the message of Fatima. Our speaker for today's Fatima Centennial Conference is the Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Harold and the former chairman of the Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines. He is the National Spiritual Director of the World Apostolic
Brothers and sisters in Christ, daghang salamat sa inyo pagbaton at sa inyo pag-abot din sa atong marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtanggap sa amin. It sounds heretical, no? The defects of Jesus. But I studied the defects of Jesus because by being human, like you and me, he also acquired our human defects. The first defect of Jesus he had a very good memory. Very good memory. Crucified with him was a thief who just simply said, I know I cannot go to heaven because of my great sins. So I will just ask him, Jesus, remember me when you have a paradise. And what was the answer of Jesus? Today, you will be with me in paradise. Completely forgetting the sins of his people. The sinful woman wiping the feet of Jesus with tears and perfume. Parable of the lost sheep. The shepherd looks for the lost sheep and he leaves the 99 behind without caring what would happen to them. And then he puts the lost sheep on his shoulder. The Samaritan woman at Jacob's well. He puts out a celebration with friends, spending more than 10 of the pieces and spends everything. The heart has its reason, but reason does not know. The general decides what will work to accomplish a victory and what will not. The general must also determine which weapons will be most effective.
It is also a way of helping the preparations for the celebration of the Fatima Centennial this year. It is an active gift to Our Lady on the 100th of celebration of her acclamations to help in the promotion of her messages in Fatima and promotion of her inactive work through the WAP Philippines. It contains 100 weeks where sponsors can place their names. They will be remembered in the Holy Masses and Rosaries at the WAP parish chapters on first Saturdays in every third week of the month. WAP chapters and other parishes who are present here today who would like to have their Catholic attendant fees may coordinate with our WAP national officers today.
We must look for God's love and beauty in others, no matter how difficult it may seem. And that is what we sometimes say in Provinciano. See the beautiful. Even in very small beauty. We must adopt not content, and you will not be content. Pardon, and you shall be pardoned. Give, as it has been given to you. Good measure, for the measure